there, we're now going to see a demo of the work cards, checklists. You can see everything is in Bulgarian. It will be translated in other languages and it can be translated literally within an hour. So essentially we have a few options here in the menu. Those are the work cards, checklists. Here we have contracts. In the contracts we can see all of the contracts that have been signed, and even the ones that haven't been signed are marked as such. We have users, which here we can add or remove users or change their details. Then we have templates. We can copy a template and start a new template from it, or we can create a brand new template, or we can delete one. Then we have another tab which allows us to start from the very scratch and build a template. Going to the existing templates and creating a work card, we have just delivered the service or a product and we start this. So a few items here. First of all, we need the client's email. Then we go to a date of the service. We have some information here. Could be a logo, could be a bigger design, and it could be pretty much anything. We have the date, we have the phone number to reach the company, and then we have the headline, of course. Then we have the name of the client. So this is the name of the client and the address. And next we have terms and conditions. These can also vary, of course. And then we have the first card. You can see things are in Bulgarian here, but generally this card here, the first card, contains just the service. So here we're going to add items of service. Now this company deals with air conditioning and ventilation. So essentially this means attaching and installing an air conditioning, which is from 7 to 12,000 BTUs, and we have a predefined cost of labor here. And then we have other types of things. We have, for example, this is the transporting within the city, and this is measured in kilometers, and the amount per kilometer is this one, and you can add it. And that basically goes for pretty much everything. Here we have different cables, and we have pre-assigned amounts for those, and we have a lot more stuff, and we can add others, and of course we can add some more rows if we've missed something, or if we're delivering or installing something new. And at the end we can also add a discount, which could be a whole number in the currency, euro or whatever the currency is going to be, or in percentage. And then we have the total for the labor only. So this card here is about the labor. Then we have the card about the materials. So this one, for example, is the air conditioning unit. So let's imagine that we have one unit and the price is, let's call it 250. That's actually quite cheap. Let's imagine it's 500, and there we go. If we add more, it will calculate more. Here we have some more materials, which are screws or plaster or different types of basically installment materials, which we're going to use and the people on site are going to use, and we can add those to the total amount. At the end we have again the option to add another row, to add others, or just add other rows, and then we have a discount in absolute terms or in percentages. Now it's important to know that if at some point we go out of internet, because this is a web-based service, that's okay. Everything's going to be stored and saved. If we go out, if we lose our phone, whatever happens, basically we're going to have it saved, not to worry. Here we have some more terms and conditions. We have the total amount, and then we have the option to add pictures here of the done work, delivered products, or whatever it's going to be. Then we have the continue button. We continue, and then we can see a resume. So here we have only the rows that we've used, so we can present it to the client, and they can see what's the total amount, what's the breakdown. If we have discounts, they're going to be visualized here as well. And then we have options. We have the, sorry, not options, we have the option and to sign actually from here is the signature of the customer, and we have name and family. So customer name and family name, and then we have the person who actually delivered the service, the goods, or did the service itself, can sign here as well. That's it. Then we click complete order, and what's going to happen is we're going to have a PDF file which is available for downloading immediately. We've also got an email for the vendor who delivered the service or the product, which is sent to their email, and we have also an email which is sent to the client immediately. And again, everything is stored immediately in the contract section. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day ahead.